Welcome to my YouTube channel, Abrar Electrical World. This is a series of the video lectures on transformer differential protection. Some of my students have asked me to explain in detail that how the relay settings are done for the differential protection. So I am making the videos in steps so that at one time nobody gets bored by the lengthy videos. So this is about the CT ratio mismatch, that what is the mismatch due to the CT ratio, for which we have to set the pickup value, minimum pickup value. So let's see. I have shown you this diagram before while the pickup value explanation, and I had mentioned there without any fault or under normal condition at full load or even half load, there may be a current or the differential current in the operating coil of differential relay. The current in the differential relay to be zero is an totally idealistic situation, but in normal conditions there will be some current through this one due to the three reasons, that is error in the CT ratio, the change in the tape position, and the selection of the CT ratio. Now, in this one, we will see that how the CT ratio selection affects the change in current on the primary and secondary side and creates a mismatch and current through the operating coil of the differential protection. Now, see, here I have done some calculations. I have chosen a 20 MVA power transformer, voltage ratio 132 by 11 kV, and for this I have 80 ampere on the primary side and the 1000 ampere at full load on the 11 kV side, that is the secondary side of the power transformer. Now there is always kept a margin of 25% or maybe 20, because the transformers are allowed to be overloaded, depends upon their operating temperature and the load before it was running in the day or night, whatever. So we add here 25% to both of the values, and I get the 132 kV side ampere as 100 and 11 kV side ampere as 1250. Now we have to select the CT ratio according to these values, because we are allowing the overloading to a certain extent. So the primary CT ratio of power transformer I am selecting 100 by 1, and the secondary side I am selecting 1500 by 1, because we have to select from the product line from the manufacturer. We may not get the number 1250. I have selected 1 ampere secondary, and you can select 1 or 5 ampere. 5 ampere is North American practice, and having 1 ampere secondary is the European practice. So after selecting this ratio, I have calculated here that what will be the secondary current at full load. So this secondary current on the primary side or 132 kV side will become the 0.8 ampere. If looking at the CT secondary here in this one, the CT side, secondary side, and for 11 kV side, I will have 0.7 ampere for the secondary side of the CTs. Therefore, there will become a mismatch of 12.5% here. So we have to account for this 12.5% while making the pickup value setting of the differential relay, and plus the saturation factor error and the error due to the voltage tape changer current magnitude. So therefore, after summarizing this, we get here that hence selection of CT ratio creates an error of 12.5% at full load under no fault condition, and therefore pickup value around 20 to 30% is recommended to be set. Means relay should operate at value greater than this set pickup current value. So this is the result, and this is the reason that we have a pickup value, and I had shown you through the graph also in other videos that the basic pickup value is set. So to account for the again CT ratio mismatch, error due to saturation, and error due to the tape change. And this is value is around 20 to 30% of the value. So I think this video is useful for you, and this way you can set at least the pickup the value of the differential current. Now in the next video, inshallah, we will cover the slope and the bias differential relay, and we will explain how the further settings are done for the distance over the differential relay. It may be the power transformer or any other starter of the generator, whatever. So, if you like our channel, please subscribe, like, and share. This is totally for the education and training of the electrical engineers, students, and colleagues. And I think there is no service better than educating the some people. Thank you very much.